Hey guys, just in the 200 series here. This will be 07 to 2015, non-Sahara, so GXL, not VX. So this is the FAQ video. So you can see when we power up the unit, you've obviously got slow boot. You've got steering wheel controls. They will keep working with the new unit. There's not too much else going on this unit that you need to actually keep. This is actually the fairly updated unit that some of them have in them. So our unit's going to come and replace this whole fascia here. You're going to need a big screen in there. Everything you need to install actually comes in the kit. Fairly straightforward install. This all pulls out. All plug and play kit behind here. Yeah, steering wheel controls will keep working. If you do have a USB, that will retain. Otherwise we include one in our kit that'll go in the blank down here. Obviously the reverse camera will keep working. On this car it's trying to upgrade it because the tyre carrier's in the way. And yeah, that's about it for this. So you'll see what it looks like at the end. So here we have all installed. You can see we have our steering wheel controls are working. Beautiful HD touchscreen all built in there. You can see how it fits in nice and flush because the whole fascia gets replaced. So that's all part of the kit. So you can see how good that looks there, like so. Part of our FAQ video. Then obviously, so we've got steering wheel controls still are working with our quick charge port here, a USB pass through here, a reverse camera here. We're actually putting an aftermarket one in because we want to put one spare tyre carrier, but we've also kept the original one working still, just in case I need to be able to see the tow ball in that little gap there. So we kept both of those working. So that's all going to work. You got an awesome system, the full HD touchscreen, a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto in there. Apps here. This basically becomes like an Android tablet on your dash. You can go to the Play Store, install different things, and do whatever you like. So that's what it looks once it's all in there and complete.